Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 197. This was the 15th of March, 2023, a Wednesday. So this day mostly was consumed by me taking a trip several hours away to my mother's house. I drove there. My kids are staying at Grandma's house for a couple of days during their spring break, and then they are coming back this weekend. But Wednesday, a couple hours there, a couple hours back, a couple hours there at my mother's house. So it was pretty much a shot day. Exercise, I did 1 minute on the treadmill. I got on and did a minute of walking. And it's the first time in a very, very long time that I have not done exercise. I exercise every single day. So that was the first day. And it was good because it gave my body a little bit of a break. I also did some videos and did some email marketing. And I didn't do my calling. I made up for it today. I got off track yesterday with the trip. So it was pretty much a shot day, but it was important. It's important to take the time out to do things like that, to go out and see loved ones. And, sometimes you just got to make time, and, it's going to, sometimes, you want to be focused and you want to have routines, but sometimes things will happen. I know I was starting to go to the gym, and I made it a point to go to the gym every single day. And then, when I made this goal to go to the gym, that's when the hurricanes there was a hurricane that had come here to Florida. And the gym was closed for a couple of days. So, no matter, sometimes that's just the way life is, but if you do everything that you possibly can do, and you do it to the best of your ability, and you do your level best, don't make excuses, but it's okay, I'm going to accept the situation. I'm going to forgive myself, and I'm going to be grateful, and then I'm going to let go. And then, tomorrow is a new day. And, you start out with 86,400 seconds called a day, a new bank of time every single day. So that was my day for day 197. Not the most productive of days, but I will do better. I'm committed to doing better, and I'm glad that you are here on this journey with me. So like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, questions, opinions, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.